the FDA says it is phasing out 8 artificial food dyes due to health concerns. Joining me now from the White House to talk more about this is FDA Commissioner Dr. Marty Makary and Vani Hari. Why are these petroleum-based dyes in our food and in our medication in the first place?
Well, good question, Dana. I don't think we appreciated the potential risks to human health and child health when they were first introduced. Yellow dye number 5, for example, was noted to be a bright, vibrant yellow color as the byproduct of coal tar in the coal ash, and then people decided to put it in fabric, and then they thought, well, we can put it in food. The studies have caught up with the introduction of these petroleum-based chemical food dyes, and the data doesn't look good. There is a randomized control, placebo-controlled, blinded study on food dyes in children, and it concluded, published in The Lancet in 2007, that the dyes were associated with an increase in ADHD. And you're right, they're not perfect studies. We're not going to get 10-year randomized trials on each dye, but nobody thinks it's reasonable to inject kids with crude oil and then see what happens. So we're erring on the side of safety.
For over a decade, I have said the FDA is asleep at the wheel, and now I can finally stop saying that. This is something that has been the culmination of so many voices out there, and now American moms are not going to have to worry about the frosting on their birthday cake, the chips and the sports drinks being served on the soccer field, the cereals being served in schools, and their Easter basket. I mean, it's extraordinary what's going to happen. I mean, as a mom, it is a struggle to feed my child safe and healthy food every single day, and now that is one step closer, because that is really the root of our chronic disease epidemic. Food is medicine.
Always listen to the moms. That's what I learned taking care of kids as a doctor. And we're just asking companies to do for American kids what they are already doing for European and Canadian kids, replacing the petroleum-based dyes with healthy natural ingredients.